didn't see you there. Today, I'm actually getting all this kinds of naturey stuff for a wreath that I'm making in my science teacher's Miss Bates' class. And I might bring it home too. So I'm looking around my back pond. It's pretty clear too. And for just acorns, buckeyes, twigs with moss on them, berries like this, and stuff like that. Huh?
Snakeskin?
Snakeskin. I also found that. I put that in the side by side. And I'm looking for leaves too. Oh, I actually just found the leaf. This is a pretty interesting one. Oh, I found some more berries too. Look, it's yellow, orange, and red. So what we're doing today is we're looking for nature stuff.
To make a wreath.
Yeah, to make a wreath. And we can like get twigs and stuff. Dan?
Something's been chewing up the box.
Would you like a face reveal?
No.
Okay. Mom, would you like a face reveal?
Sure.
Okay. This is my mother. And we found some frogs earlier, and some of them chirped.
Don't you need this?
Yeah, that reminds me of an
Oh,
octopus.
no, you need moss, didn't you?
Yeah, and this. And you can see the fungi on here.
Hold it still. Mm-hmm.
And here's a riddle. You can send this to your friends and stuff like that to trick them. Two guys go to a restaurant. One of them says, "I'll have H2O." And the other one says, "I'll have H2O too." And he dies. H2O is hydrogen peroxide.
H2O2.
H2O2. And he meant it like also. So H2O2, it's hydrogen peroxide, but I don't know what that does. So you can look it up on Google if you would like, or ask your parents. And, well, let's just get back to fishing some stuff. Oh! That is not what I thought it was. Oh, that stinks. That smells so bad. Well, if I found a spider web, I would rather have found a toad, to be honest. And I'm gonna look for some stuff now. Oh, look at that. This is one of the more special trees that we have. And it's like a
Corkscrew.
huh?
Corkscrew.
Yeah. One of my favorite trees is actually the one that does it might be a pine tree. It's a kind of pine. And oh, there's some fish. Let's see. No fish. If you guys wanna see some of my other content, make sure to subscribe to my channel.
Hold on, Kaden. Repeat that last part.
If you found the spider web.
A little bit. Anyway.
If you want to see some of my other content, make sure to subscribe to me.
Hey.
I'll be uploading content pretty much weekly. Like last Thursday, I did a 3-video Thursday, which is basically 3 videos. My favorite thumbnail was actually the cow video one. Anyways, bye guys.